Today is our last day of teaching practice exercise and I'm really excited about it. And I made sure to record something today for memory's sake. And why not? So today I woke up early, did some house chores, take my bath and got dressed and headed to school feeling excited. We did not do a lot of things today because today is Friday. It's actually revision week. We just did a little revision for the topic they did not understand, and that was for the day. The students will miss us and we miss them too. And school today was so fun. We made amazing memories and we learned a lot, I must say. And the best part is, as Professor said, that we did well in our teaching experience. Before I forget, the school teachers and the principals also said that we did well. I'm really excited. This is our last teaching practice. And my colleague, they were so nice. They were cheerful. And guess what, guys? We even bought Gary and we drank it together as one big family. Could not record that in this video. That will be in my next vlog. And that's all for this vlog. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.